If you're considering efilesalestax.com for your sales tax filing, there are some important things you need to know before making your decision. This platform is a solid option, but how does it stack up against other sales tax software on the market? Stick around as we break down 12 key points that could impact your decision. First thing, efilesalestax.com focuses on making the sales tax filing process easier by automating the filing for businesses of all sizes. Whether you're a small business owner or part of a larger organization, it promises to save time and reduce errors compared to doing it manually. But how does it compare to other software options like TaxJar or Avalara? While both of those options have robust features, efilesalestax.com offers a straightforward interface, which can be appealing for those who don't want to navigate complex systems. Next thing, pricing. efilesalestax.com uses a subscription model, offering different tiers based on your business's needs. It's a bit more affordable than competitors like Avalara, which can get pricey, especially for smaller businesses. However, keep in mind that cheaper options like TaxJar offer slightly more advanced features, so it's important to weigh cost versus value. The third thing, ease of use. efilesalestax.com is often praised for its simple and intuitive interface. Users report that it's easier to set up and navigate than other platforms like Sovos, which can be cumbersome for those unfamiliar with sales tax laws. But if you're looking for more customization options, you may find more flexibility with software like Avalara. The fourth thing to consider is the support. efilesalestax.com offers customer service through live chat, email, and phone. While this is good, it's worth noting that some users report slower response times compared to services like TaxJar, which is known for having stellar customer support. If support is a priority for you, this could be a factor in your decision. Next up, integration. efilesalestax.com supports integration with major e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Amazon. If your business relies on these platforms, you'll find the integration easy. However, competitors like Avalara have a broader range of integrations, which may be more suitable for larger businesses that operate across multiple platforms. The sixth thing is accuracy. efilesalestax.com automates sales tax filings, helping reduce human error. It also claims to have access to the latest tax rate data, which is crucial for compliance. But if you need a more comprehensive solution, competitors like TaxJar and Avalara are known for providing a higher level of accuracy when it comes to complex sales tax scenarios across multiple states. The seventh thing is multi-state support. efilesalestax.com does support filings across multiple states, which is essential for businesses operating in more than one location. However, if you're operating nationwide and need very granular reporting, Avalara might be a better fit due to its in-depth multi-state capabilities. Next, the level of automation. efilesalestax.com provides automated tax filing, but other services like TaxJar go a step further with automatic tax calculations in real time during checkout. If you need that additional automation for your online sales, TaxJar could be a better choice. The ninth thing, reports. efilesalestax.com does offer reporting features, but they are somewhat basic compared to competitors like Avalara. If detailed, customizable reporting is important for your business, you may want to explore other options that offer deeper insights. The 10th thing to consider is scalability. efilesalestax.com can grow with your business, but there are some limits. For more complex needs, Avalara and TaxJar can handle larger, more intricate sales tax scenarios as your business expands. The 11th thing is customer feedback, while efilesalestax.com receives mostly positive reviews for its ease of use and affordability. Some users have mentioned occasional glitches or delays in filings. In comparison, TaxJar and Avalara tend to have a higher level of consistency, though at a higher price point. Finally, security. efilesalestax.com uses encryption to ensure your data is secure, but it doesn't have the same extensive security features as Avalara, which is used by enterprise-level clients and has robust security protocols